Watch this video and learn how to draw a pretty tulip. Later in the video, Bunny has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie Show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Hello, little artists.
Artie, you know how you like flowers?
Yes?
Should we draw a tulip?
Oh, Artie would love that. Can we please?
We sure can.
Okay, yay!
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Are you ready to begin?
Yeah,
Should we get going?
let's get going.
All right.
Okay.
I think it's time to start drawing. Drawing, drawing. It's time to start drawing.
Thank you, Barry. Okay, Artie, let's start. Let's draw a curved line on the left side of the page towards the top. And then another curved line down. Oh, that's a lovely shape, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
Now draw a straight line down. And now let's draw another curved line going off towards the right. And curve down all the way down to the bottom. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. Okay, Artie, let's connect the shapes together at the bottom. Very good. Now in the middle, let's draw another little curved line up and a little curve down. And now we have the top of the flower. Let's start the stem.
Hi, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Are you drawing a carrot?
No?
I wish you would.
Maybe next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, Bunny is so cute. Okay, Artie, that's the stem done. Let's draw a C shape on the left and then a back to front C shape on the right. Very good.
Oh, dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah, let's have a dance break. Yay!
Well, I suppose we could. Okay, go on. You can have a dance break.
Yay! Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
This is making me want to dance.
Me too. Are you dancing, little artists?
Oh, your shoes. Do you like mine? I got mine on... 10.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
And Bunny was so good.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah. Okay.
Now let's draw a leaf on the right side. A nice big S shape. Now come down from the tip and draw a curved line all the way towards the bottom. Coming up, Artie's going to be in a cartoon. Oh, I like that line you just drew, Artie. That was very artistic. It's the centre vein inside the leaf.
Oh, it's so peaceful today. Really nice and quiet. Oh no! I spoke too soon. It's Painty.
Uh-oh. Oh, I love it.
Oh, Painty, you've made a big mess again. Okay, let's finish that leaf on the left side. Curve all the way back down to the bottom. Looks great, Artie. How about your creative line? There it is.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are shaped like a cone. Artie loves cones. Artie, your favourite cone is an ice cream cone. Hey, ice cream. Artie, here's a safety construction cone. Cone. What is that over there by the bench? Hat. That's right, it's a cone-shaped birthday hat. Birthday cone. Artie loves cones.
Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
It sure was.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cartoon break.
Okay, Artie, come on. Let's concentrate. Let's draw the flower pot that the flower is sat inside. A short line on the left and right. Connect the two together with a long horizontal line. Another long horizontal line at the bottom. And now we have the top of the pot.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, your art should come with a soundtrack, and I'm just the dog for the job. Bye.
Bye, Barry. Thanks for making all the dogs bark. Okay, Artie, let's finish this plant pot. An angled line on the left and right. Connect them together at the bottom. It looks great. Are you finished?
I'm finished. Ooh.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
Should we colour it?
Yeah. Let's color it in.
It's coloring time!
All done.
What a wonderful drawing, Artie.
Yeah. Oh, it came out so good. Yeah.
Should we put it on the fridge?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye!
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an arty day. Bye. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh.